I'm Mohit from Chandigarh.
I'm Ashish Rao from Pune.
I'm Arvind KP from TVS Racing from Bangalore, and we are here right now at the Scrutiny Bay for the Raid the Himalaya 17th edition.
Hi, my name is Abrar bin Ayub and I'm from Kashmir.
Thank you, man. This is okay. Great experience. मेरा नाम कुणाल राव है, हम बॉम्बे से आया हूँ.
Why Raid? That is something everyone in motorsport would know. Why Raid?
The aim is to survive all the 6 days.
And it's going to be a tough challenge this time.
If I can survive the 6 days, that would be a win for me.
Finally, Scrutiny, okay? We are going to Raid.
Sit there and get ready to face any kind of difficulty that you will face out there. 3, 2, and 1. Keeping the Himalayas, are you scared? A lot of guys are going to follow you. Okay, she's nervous because a lot of guys are going to follow her. She's looking absolutely stunning. 3, 2, and 1. Woohoo!
हिमालय का जो रूट इस साल प्लान किया हमने इवेंट के लिए जी, ये पिछले 16 सालों से बिल्कुल अलग अलाइनमेंट पे है जी. इस बारी मनाली तो जाएंगे जी, पर मनाली से डलहौजी की तरफ बढ़ेंगे वाया बजौरा से ऊपर कांडी पास होके कटिंडी जटिंगड़ी होते हुए मंडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पहली बारी कंपटीशन हो रहा था.
सुरेश राणा मनाली से बिलोंग करता हूँ और पिछले 14 साल से रेड में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ और 9 साल से जीत भी रहा हूँ और इस बार भी कोशिश करूँगा. And I am driving the Polaris RZR 1000 XP4.
I take care of my own. Torn down where I slip, it can't suffocate my spirit. 'Cause I'm the king of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see the throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own
का काम होता है वो कर रहे हैं इसका, और पूरा चेकअप करा के गाड़ियाँ रोक के कर दी है हम लोगों ने। अब कल की तैयारी है, कंपटीशन में कल गाड़ियाँ उतरेंगी। हर चीज़ रूटीन बाई चेंज कर देते हैं हम लोग, ये नहीं देखते ख़राब हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, रूटीन के हिसाब से चेंज कर देते हैं हम लोग। ये शॉकर हो गए, कमानी हो गई, शॉकर बुश हो गए, और अपने पेट्रोल फिल्टर हो गया, एयर फिल्टर क्लीनिंग हो गया, और इंजन ऑयल फिल्टर, क्योंकि वो ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि ये नहीं कि ख़राब होगा चेंज करेंगे, वो ख़राब होने से पहले चेंज करना पड़ता है हम लोगों को सारा।
Indians never say this thing na कि you keep on wearing warm clothes. It's not about that. Old people, they say the right reality. The wood can only give you the real heat, or the old monk. So we cannot do it in the motorsport. So this is the real heat which we are taking.
इनको हो गए कम से कम 2 घंटे से हो गए। ठंड भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा धीरे धीरे हो रही है, तो जितनी जल्दी ख़त्म करेंगे उतना ही बेटर है, क्योंकि रात को 2 बजे फिर से निकलना है हमने पदों की तरफ सर्विस देने के लिए। सर्विस वालों को आसान काम नहीं, बहुत मुश्किल है।
What's funny is I have no complaints. I'm still a jerk. You've got that smirk like you know it all. It's not
Next year. You need any medical help?
No.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay, so come with us and we send you service team to collect the bike. Okay?
पंक्चर कहाँ पे हुआ?
ये करीब 7-8 किलोमीटर पहले।
और 7-8 किलोमीटर ऐसे फ्लैट चलाई?
जी, कल भी 30 किलोमीटर चलाई थी फ्लैट मैंने। तो आज फिर उसको रिपेयर करके आज स्टार्ट लिया, करीब यहाँ से 8 किलोमीटर पहले फिर पंचर हो गया। मैं कंप्लीट कर लेता अगर सेंसर नहीं टूटती तो।
Actually, I was going third and was trying to lead among first two. So while returning, I wanted to push more. So I was on a speed of 100 or 90. So at a turn, my bike took a hop and there was a big rock. And directly I had a nose landing. So I just fell down on just because of that I had a fracture. The pain is less here, but the pain is more here for losing my position, my trophy and everything. These all people all along came from Indore, from Madhya Pradesh, to just give me a support.
ये भाई साहब सर्विस की वेट करते करते सो गए हैं और लग रहा है सर्विस आएगी भी नहीं, तो ऐसे ही उठ जाएंगे सुबह और यहीं से सामने गाड़ी खड़ी है और चले जाएंगे.
Last day I fell in the morning itself on the ice, on a sheet of ice. So I broke my collarbone and I still had around 200 kilometers to reach Srinagar, including 2 stages. So I was in too much adrenaline, to be honest. I did not even feel the pain. And when I started feeling the pain, I just put a sling across and kept riding. I promised my bike, as I said, I'll bring it to Srinagar regardless of anything. So I had to ride it back to Srinagar.
इस जगह पे आके मैं हर साल प्रॉमिस करता हूँ अपने आप को, मैं नेक्स्ट रेड नहीं करूँगा. मैं अभी यही कह रहा हूँ, मैं नेक्स्ट रेड नहीं आऊँगा, लेकिन ऐसी गाड़ी में आऊँगा, मुझे ये भी पता है नेक्स्ट ईयर.
Happening is like it's an really very chilling out here, amazing track, and I can only say this thing, that's beautiful, like the beauty which we have seen. If we would have get a lot of more time in the transport, we would really enjoyed the beauty more. But then also we are trying, we clicked a lot of shots stopping in the extreme, like we are driving in extreme, we stop in the stage to click some photographs because this is like the endless time here, and we never know if we want to come back again over here or not. Broken the car all the way in all direction, don't know what's going to happen, but if you don't break the car, you cannot say this thing it's a raid. It's a raid or a 6 days event, not a 1-day rally. So challenge has to be there. Total endurance test of man and machine. I think so. This man is okay. I don't know about machine, but yes, machine will also be fine. A man is absolutely fine.
Well, I think there are many close calls which come in the rally. You know, every day we have many close calls.
Threat to the leader.
साइड स्टैंड या से ब्रेक हो गया हो, तो ब्रेक होता है तो क्या होता है, साइड स्टैंड ब्रेक हो गया तो जैसे मैं गेट डाल लूँ बाइक ऑफ हो जाता है. हाँ वो बीच में बाइक खराब हो गया तो वहीं खड़ी हुई बाइक. अब तो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया ना स्टेज के बीच में, एंड पे लग गया, तो आई कांट नेक्स्ट ईयर नाउ.
Bike's doing pretty good. Today's stage was pretty heavy on the bike. I lost my thumb guard, broke the side stand spring, but she got me back here, so I'm pretty happy.
This is not a tragedy, but I'll say this thing, it's a luck. We just went a kilometer only and our car got fire. Both of us, I and my Navi Chirag, we both are safe. He quickly responded and take out the fire extinguisher. पूरा बुझाया अंदर से, क्योंकि गाड़ी में आग अंदर से लगी वायरिंग फॉल्ट की वजह से.
Know just who this is. So vicious.
Driving a 1000 RZR Polaris Turbo.
This is our first time in the raid, and we just got the vehicle imported and directly got it to the raid, and it's a totally different experience. Today was actually the best day for us. We did pretty good in stage. I hope we'll do good and finish it at least. That was the main motive for us coming to the race. Altogether, it was a great experience.
It's like been quite some time now, 17 years down the line. Started off with a Gypsy, then went on to a Vitara. Now, for the first time I'm driving a Polaris. It has its own plus and minus. The triple cautions hardly become a caution on the rough stages for a Polaris.
So vicious.
After maybe like 15 minutes or into the stage, you start looking for the finish line. So it's like it's forever going and it's tough, and it's not just the terrain, and it's the altitude also. So you don't want to breathe much, and you have to keep reminding yourself. And after a while, you kind of bone freeze yourself because you're going so fast. But as the stage goes through, and you kind of warm yourself up, and you pace yourself in the stage, and then it gets better.
How are you?
Good.
Fresh?
Yeah, all fresh and cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
शाबाश.
Thank you.
भाई जी?
हाँ जी, क्या हाल चाल जी? आपके हाथ कांप रहे हैं?
अरे ठंड है भाई जी.
बहुत ठंड है.
ठंड है.
क्या करें वैसे ठंड में?
आपका हीटर लगा अंदर?
बहुत अच्छा हीटर लगा, बहुत मजे ले रहे हैं.
अच्छा, बस.
अगर आप आना चाहें तो आप भी आ सकते हैं.
नहीं, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू.
as your body is relieved of your spirit, which has returned to pure energy, you'll become a part of the elements.
Feel this fire deep inside, burning strong where you can't hide. Join the elements tonight and see the light. When the darkness comes too strong, don't forget you're not alone. Join the elements tonight and feel alive.
Himalaya is awesome, and I would come back again. And I think I've waited for this for a little while, and this was the only one trophy which was missing from my cabinet, and now I have it. So it feels really great.
Trust yourself and don't settle for mediocrity. There is never going to be a reservation on the Red Day Himalaya. If you are the best, you are the best, and if you are not, work towards it.
I look so wild. I look from Himalayas now.
I just told him I'm going back to and sell my bike, and he's saying no, you're going to come back.
You saw it all. You saw it all.
And I mean, I'm just taking it one day at a time. I have to ride my bike back to Australia after this finishes. Prior to this, I was already touring for 40 days. So just get through it one turn at a time, not even one stage at a time. If instead of this, that trophy would have been there, so I would have got a better chance to go for my other sports also. But for a couple of months, I'm now banned. Huh? One thing straight right now. What? Tired after the whole day.
As your body is relieved of your spirit, which has returned to pure energy, you'll become a part of the elements.